Perform hand hygiene. Done. Put on gown. Ensure neck and sides are secured. Cuffs covering proximal part of the hand. Turn around and please wait, I will check the back of your gown.
Now the system's already waiting for me.
Checking back of gown. Please face the screen again and review the back of your gown. Done. Put on mask. Mold the wire and base of mask under chin. Show your hands when finished. Checking nose. Checking chin. Done. Put on eye protection. Done. Put on gloves and cover the cuff. Show your hands when finished. I can see neither left nor right gloves. Move your right and left hands so I can see it. Checking wrists. Done. You're all set. Thank you.